Hi everyone, and especially to those of you interested in health. Do you get tired easily, or feel cold often? Or do you feel like you run out of energy quickly when you exercise? If so, mitochondria might be the key to solving these problems. Mitochondria are like tiny power plants in each of our body's cells, and they supply our body with energy. First, let's look at the name itself. Mito means thread, and chondria means granule. Under a microscope, mitochondria look like threads or small granules. Think of them as tiny factories inside our bodies that produce energy. They're sometimes called sushi roll factories because they look like sushi rolls. Now let's learn about the key roles of mitochondria. Number 1, ATP production. Mitochondria convert the food we eat into ATP, the energy currency of cells. Some of this energy is released as heat, which helps keep our bodies warm. Just like a warm bowl of soup on a cold winter day, mitochondria provide energy to our bodies. Number 2, regarding warmth, mitochondria have uncoupling proteins. These proteins can produce heat instead of ATP, especially in brown adipose tissue, which is specialized for keeping our bodies warm. Think of it like a sauna that keeps us warm. Number 3, regulating cell metabolism. Mitochondria burn glucose and fat to produce energy. This is essential during exercise and supports muscle and brain function. It's like burning wood to create energy. Number 4, they're also involved in aging and health. If mitochondria weaken, it can slow down metabolism and cause fatigue, weight gain, and a weakened immune system. But there's good news. Exercise and a healthy diet help keep mitochondria healthy, which helps maintain youth and vitality. Regular exercise is like getting regular car maintenance. So how can we activate our mitochondria? Number 1, exercise. Aerobic exercises like walking, running, and cycling make mitochondria more active. Combining it with strength training allows for even more powerful energy production. Even a daily walk can be a big help. Number 2, eat right. B vitamins, B1, B2, B3, B5 are very important for ATP production. Magnesium supports energy metabolism, and antioxidants, like vitamin C, E, and CoQ10, protect mitochondria. There's a saying that eating well is the best medicine, right? Number 3, try intermittent fasting or a ketogenic diet. Fasting can increase mitochondrial efficiency and promote the creation of new mitochondria. A ketogenic diet uses fat as an energy source, improving mitochondrial function. Number 4, expose yourself to the cold. Cold showers or light outdoor exercise in winter can activate brown fat and stimulate mitochondria. It's like fighting fire with fire, right? In conclusion, mitochondria are essential for energy production and temperature regulation. Optimizing your mitochondria reduces fatigue, boosts metabolism, and makes it easier to maintain body temperature. Through exercise, a good diet, and intermittent fasting, you can activate your mitochondria and live a healthier and more energetic life. Are you ready to take care of your mitochondria? If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.